is Akolo Elvina Anjim. I study Office Automation Secretaryship. I had the urge to study, to do secretarial work, so I've been doing my findings on Facebook, Instagram. I came across Buea Institute of Technology. Finally, I landed here. It's a very nice place and they have well-trained teachers, and I'm happy to be in Buea Institute of Technology to study my profession. I came to Buea Institute of Technology with the knowledge that I'm going to do a 4-month program. But with findings that they had all the potentials I needed, I decided to go in for a 9-month program, which is a national diploma program. Aside my own program, there were other added advantages like graphic designs and digital marketing. So far, they have studied typing, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Publisher, PowerPoint, and Access. During the first semester, we started with Microsoft Excel and Word because they are the main courses. They are our main courses. Now we are in the second semester. We are studying Publisher, PowerPoint, and Access. We are hoping that by the end of the year, by the end of the 9 months, we'll be able to achieve all that we needed. My advice for you all is for everyone that is thinking of doing professional studies, be it in my profession or digital marketing or video production, BIT is just the best place for you.